Hello everyone. Okay, today we look at question 1 part B and C in chapter 7. So this question asks us to value the bond. So as you see in the problem, the bond have the par value of 1,000. Coupon rate is 7%. So first of all, based on the par value of 1,000 and the coupon rate, you're supposed to be able to calculate coupon payment, which equal to the par value multiplied by coupon rate equal to, yes, $70. So in the timeline, this bond, we are here at time 0, and this bond mature in 20 years. So year 1, 2, all the way 19 and 20, right? Yep. So at the end of each year, you receive the coupon payment of 70. All the way here, 70. And remember, at the end of the 20-year period, you receive one big thing, which is the face value of the whole 1,000. Yep. Here's the payment schedule of the bond. So now, how can we price it? The price of the bond, as you know, is the present value of all future cash flow provided by the bond. So it will be the sum of the present value of all coupon payment and the present value of that face value. And you can see that the coupon payment here creates something like an annuity, right? So you can calculate the present value of this annuity and you add it with the present value of a single sum. So you have the PV1 and over here you have PV2, and combine you have the price of the bond. That's it. So now we will calculate one by one. First of all, the PV1. For PV1, okay, one more thing. The interest rate we use to discount all the future cash flow will be your required rate of return, and in the book it's that your required rate of return is 10%. So it is very, very important. It's 10% required rate of return. Please be clear that there is two kind of percent number. One is coupon rate, which will be used to calculate the coupon payment, and the second one is your required rate of return, which will be used to calculate the value of the bond. So now with that in mind, let's calculate the present value of the annuity of 70, 70, 70, and 70. Okay, so definitely we have to open the present value of an annuity table, right? We look at the row 20 year and the column 10%. So what is the value in that cell? 10% and 20 year. So the value in that cell will be 8.514. And then, as we did before, you multiply that factor with the value of the payment, which is 70, right? And you get, okay, you get 595.98. Okay, we're done with the present value of the coupon payment, PV1. Now the second part is a PV2. It's even simpler, right? PV2, because it is we only have to calculate the present value of a single sum, and right here we move to table present value of $1, and again we look at the column 10% and the row 20 year on the table, and you see that the value in that cell is 0.149. Now if you're not clear about what does this mean with 0.149 or 8.514. You should look at the video in chapter 5. We have a number of problem on that. I mean, using those table. Okay, so the present value $1 20 years from today is 0.149, and now we are talking about 1,000. So we simply multiply that with 1,000, and we have $149. So, like I said before, the price of the bond is a sum of the two present value, PV1 for the annuity and PV2 for the face value. And now the last step for us is to add those two numbers up, right? And therefore we have the price equal to 744.98. So the price is 744.98. Okay, it is the answer for part B. The price, the value of the bond at your required rate of return of 10%. Now, if you look at the market, the price of the bond on the market is 875. So you ask yourself, okay, do you want to buy that bond or not? Put it this way. You believe the value of the bond is only 744 and it is sold at the price of 875. Tell me, of course, you don't want to buy the bond at that price, because you don't want to pay more than 800 for something you believe to be worth only like 744. Yep, thank you. We are done.